Hello guys, today we're gonna be making butterfly made out of dollar bill. As you can see, I already have one sample here, but we're gonna go through this together. It's very simple. So what we do on this one is we fold it. Okay, right in the center, and then we're gonna make this go this way, and then same as this on the other side, and the other side. This is really easy and simple, guys. And then we can start folding them. See how we do this? Gotta stand up here. Okay, we're just gonna keep on folding until we reach to the other end. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna crisp it. Wait, come on, nicer. So now we're done with this first part. What I do is fold this right there. Okay, that's the first part of it. So now we're gonna fold this one too. Okay, like the regular folding of the dollar bill. Not a rocket science. This is very easy, guys. Your kids can do this with you guys too. It's really fun for the kids to do this. If you guys don't want to use dollar bills, you guys can use regular colored paper. Okay, and we are done on this. So what we're gonna do is nice and crisp it, and then we fold that like the other first part of the butterfly. Okay, so now we grab this one. See this part right here where we fold it? We don't show that part, we show this part right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is use the pipe cleaner right here, and we about maybe that much. That's probably about 3-4 inches. Okay, so now we can put these guys together. So make sure now this part right here is facing the same color. You don't want the green and then that. It's gonna look kind of awkward. So we go this way, yeah? So make sure it's folded right in the center. Okay, so now we can finish them. We can put them together now. So I get the pipe cleaner. You gather them right in the center. You twist it so it will hold nicely. Okay, so now what we can do is open it. Open. Some people, they tape it like this on the back to look more like this. But I don't do it on mine, but I do tape this part right here so it will stay. Okay, so I put this tape right here. You guys can see it. That tape right there. Okay, tape is kind of big, so we're gonna cut it in half. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tape right. Am I seeing it? Yeah, there you go. Right there. We tape it. And then, where's the other half of the tape? Go to the other side. Let's find the other end. There you go. Then we go ahead and tape them. And we fix it. Slightly open this, slightly open, not so much. And this, there you have it. I have 2 different colors of butterfly. See, this is very simple to make. In fact, I'm gonna be using this for my money lay. So I make this, the fan, or this. The fan one is similar to this, but it's just that when I fold it, it's not in the center, it's on the bottom of it. So it will look more like a fan. Okay, so here you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more video. Aloha and mahalo. Salamat po.